that why Princess is not in here in the youth in this kind of account, because I'm so thankful, God, that my third channel is ready soon. So congratulations me, because the live stream in there is already like open on my third channel, and also plenty subscriber and videos. So I'm busy to know if like that I have my third channel. It's nice to go there because no one who knows me, and no one who found me there, no one like keeping recording me. So thanks to everyone, because in what if I upload in here a video or something that it's a different in my third channel. I don't want that what video here and also video in the same video on my third channel. No, none. So that not be connected in my here, right? So I'm so glad that I'm so glad that I'm uh, I'm contented of what I have now in my third channel. I'm doing my best to to be done in there. So it's just public announcement.